Hey, are you looking for a good quality Anker Soundcore earbuds from Aliexpress? I have fixed the earbuds of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the earbuds are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. In at number 5, the Earbuds, Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo. The Soundcore Liberty Neo is one of the least expensive ways to get truly wireless earbuds. And if all you are looking for is a musical accompaniment for walks or while doing chores, they work great. If you are just looking for truly wireless earbuds that can entertain you with music or podcasts on your walk to work, the Liberty Neo provides all you need for a very low price. Recently this earbud's price is $39.82. These earbuds have some main features such as these earbuds equipped with expert-tuned graphene drivers. As graphene's earliest pioneers, to create a new driver for Liberty Neo that takes full advantage of the material's remarkable properties, 100 times harder than steel and 35% lighter than traditional driver diaphragms. It oscillates with extreme precision, to give your audio a wider soundstage with exceptional accuracy and crystal clear clarity across the entire frequency range. Its exclusive bass-up technology analyzes your audio's low frequencies in real time and instantly increases the bass by up to 43%. Stop simply listening to your music and start really feeling it. It has an LDS antenna, derived from satellite technology. Combines with Bluetooth 5.0 to create an almost unbreakable link with your device, even in busy places. No skips, no drops. Using the Anker heritage and high-efficiency power cells, Liberty Neo delivers over 3.5 hours of playtime from a single charge and an extra 9 hours in the compact charging case. Unlike ordinary truly wireless earphones that deliver calls through a single earpiece, Liberty Neo provides in-call stereo sound. In at 4th place, the Earbuds, Anker Soundcore Life P2. The Anker Soundcore Life P2 are decent mixed-usage headphones. They have a decently comfortable fit for in-ears and have a good overall battery life for truly wireless headphones. They offer a great price-to-performance ratio, with an impressively well-balanced sound profile that should be versatile enough for most generations. They can help block out noisy coworkers at the office, and are even stable enough in your ear to take to the gym, making them a good, well-rounded pair of headphones for everyday use. Now, this earbud price is $58.51. This earbud is perfect for home offices. Each earbud has 2 microphones with beamforming noise reduction and CVC 8.0 technology for superior vocal enhancement and background noise suppression. It has incredible sound powered by graphene drivers. Delivers music with a wider soundstage and exceptional accuracy and clarity. Bass-up technology enhances bass by up to 43% and aptX audio offers lossless transmission between your device and the wireless earbuds. A single charge gives you a full 7 hours of listening, while the charging case extends that to 40 hours. When you are in a rush and need power fast, simply charge for 10 minutes and get up to 1 hour of playtime. Life P2 wireless earbuds boast IPX7 rated protection that defends against liquids in any weather conditions. It has a one-step pairing system. Push-and-go technology streamlines the setup process. So, when you remove the wireless earbuds from the charging case, they will automatically connect to the last paired device. This earbud perfectly secure fit in your ear. Get a confident and satisfying fit in only 3 steps. For the best call quality, ensure the microphone is directed towards your mouth. In number 3, the earbud is Anker Soundcore Liberty Air. Anker's Liberty Air true wireless earphones cost half the price of Apple's AirPods and sound as good or better. They offer solid wireless performance, 5 hours of battery life, and come with a compact charging case that delivers an extra 3 charges. As long as you are okay with a noise-isolating design. Anker Liberty Air is an excellent alternative to the AirPods that cost half the price. Already this earbud price is $79.99. This earbud equipped with expert-tuned graphene drivers. As graphene's earliest pioneers, to create a new driver for Liberty Air that takes full advantage of the material's remarkable properties, 100 times harder than steel and 35% lighter than traditional driver diaphragms. It oscillates with extreme precision, to give your audio a wider soundstage with exceptional accuracy and crystal clear clarity across the entire frequency range. Each earbud is equipped with a microphone that utilizes noise reduction technology. Your voice is optimized and background noises are minimized. So, you sound louder and clearer on the other end. A full 5 hours of listening on a single charge is extended to a huge 20 hours of playtime with the included charging case. It has integrated touch controls. Use the earbuds to answer calls and play, pause, and skip music on the go. Liberty Air's lightweight in-ear design and multiple sizes of ear tips allow you to customize the fit of the earbuds. Crank up the comfort level and enjoy music and stereo calls with superior noise isolation. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology and an FPC antenna create a rock-solid connection for skip-free audio. One-step pairing ensures that after the initial setup is complete, Liberty Air will automatically connect to your device the moment it's removed from the charging case. And at second place, the earbud is Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2. The affordable Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 improve on their predecessor in several ways, including a top-notch performance for making calls, boosted battery life, USB-C, and wireless charging, and nicer matte finish on the buds and compact charging case. They are water-resistant and should fit most ears well. Sound can be tweaked in the companion app and you can program touch controls to include volume up and down. Featuring top-notch call quality and loaded with features, the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 is an excellent value alternative to the AirPods Pro. Now, this earbud price is $98.66. Liberty Air 2 driver domes maintain their rigidity, even when vibrating at high frequencies. Audio quality is reproduced with a 15% larger frequency bandwidth for clear treble and 2x more basses. Each earbud is equipped with 2 microphones and CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology. Environmental noises are reduced by 60%, while 95% of your voice is retained. So, you sound louder and clearer on the other end. A single charge gives you a full 7 hours of listening, while the charging case extends it to 28 hours of playtime. And when the case needs a power boost, simply set it down on a wireless charger. This earbud has Hear ID technology. Take the test to create a custom set of EQ settings that are optimized for your ears. Hear ID maps your hearing sensitivity at multiple frequencies and intelligently analyzes the results to give you a truly personalized listening experience. Liberty Air 2 wireless earphones use Bluetooth 5.0 for a fast, strong, and ultra-stable connection. In number 1, the earbud is Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. Recently this earbud price is $151.99. This earbud has Astria coaxial acoustic architecture technology, a state-of-the-art design, which integrates a customized Knowles-balanced armature and an 11mm dynamic driver into a single body. Aligned direct to ear, Astria completely eliminates interference while producing harmonized treble and bass for jaw-dropping sound. A single charge of the earbuds gives 8 hours of audio, with 4 more full recharges from the charging case. The charging case recharges fast charge USB-C or wireless charging, and provides the earbuds with 2 hours of listening from a 10-minute charge. To ensure everyone gets a perfect listening experience, Hear ID intelligently analyzes your unique hearing profile and creates a tailor-made sound setup, just for your ears. To take complete control of the sound with an adjustable EQ or 22 preset sound profiles. With 4 microphones and CVC 8.0 noise reduction, your voice is isolated and transmitted in high clarity for a seamless hands-free experience. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.